guys, it's me, it's Chelsea. So today, or yesterday, December 15th, 10 days before Christmas, we got snow. So let me take you outside for a second. First of all, I'm wearing my Razzle Dazzle hoodie, or sweatshirt from the Red Apple. My boa headband, candy cane, earrings, red hooded scarf from Claire's. Rawr. Did it finally snow? Can't tell. Nope, still snowing. Look at that. This has been snowing quite a bit because you can see that's where my dog was earlier. I don't think you can see it snowing right now, but earlier you could. So it's quite pretty. It's really late at night as well. So it's about how much it snowed, I'm guessing. Doesn't the street look picturesque at like 1 a.m.? I think it'll probably stop snowing soon. I don't have boots right now. I have Converse. Yeah, it was. I didn't think it was gonna snow this much. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go. You can actually see there's still a rose on the tree. So yeah, it's been quite warm lately. Like, usually that's pretty rare. You don't see that very often. Just take a better picture of it once I get off with you. Oh god, my poor shoes. These are my shoes. I don't have boots right now. Yeah, so it was pretty snowfall. Has it snowed where you guys live? Will it snow before Christmas where you live? Oh god, drag to snowball inside with me. It's gonna be fun. These are gonna be wet all night long. Sweet. I might have to go buy shoes tomorrow, or boots, just because it's kind of essential now. Thanks for watching. Yeah, so have you gotten snow recently? What did you do yesterday? I've been really sick, that's why I haven't been on YouTube. And I'm really behind on filming and vlogging. Just behind on Christmas in general. I'm behind on reading and decorating. I'm just behind. So I'm working really hard with like 9 days left to go. I'm going to be working all night, probably all day as well tomorrow. Because I'll be going shopping for Christmas gifts and then I'll come home and sleep. So thank you for watching. Happy holidays, happy Vlogmas. Rawr. I'm ready for the weather. Bye everybody.